Hi, welcome to MarineMax. My name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to take you on a tour of our 2020 Grady White 330 Express that just arrived. This boat's powered by twin Yamaha 425 four-strokes, which are about to get custom painted to match this beautiful boat. We do also have a large fish box located in the transom back here. We got freezer coils that run around the outside so we can refrigerate or freeze this box. Makes it nice and easy to keep your catch nice and fresh. We also have freshwater washdown located here in the transom, along with our engine flushes located right here. Self-building cockpit, nice big open floor plan back here. We do have a dive door located on the port side. Easy access getting on and off the dock or bringing in that big fish. We have some more seating on the back side of the leaning post here. Grill, extra storage down here below. Keep all your tools, tackle, things like that right at your fingertips. We've also got a live well located over here on the starboard side. There's a place for hanging leaders, tools, things like that. Makes it really nice and easy as you're prepping the baits. You have the AV2 hardtop on board with a sunroof, full enclosure for the hardtop, air-conditioned bridge with a reverse cycle heat as well, so you can put 4 or 5 people underneath here. Life jacket storage, also located on the bottom side of the hardtop. And then we've got our nice dash, which you can see we've got our Yamaha controls, Yamaha Helmmaster joystick control here. Electronics will flush mount nice and neatly here in the box. One of the neat features about this boat with the center drive station, everything's at your fingertips. So you can see all the way around the boat. Big windshield with a vent, almost like boating in HD. Work our way down into the cabin, which we can sleep up to 4 or 5 adults down here. We've got our 4B berth, the table will drop down and convert. Then we've got our mid cabin located below. We do also have a TV, refrigerator, cooktop, microwave, and then an enclosed head located over here on the starboard side. Thank you again for taking a tour of our 2020 Grady White 330 Express.